guys, what's up? What's up? This is your coach coming to you from the ATL. I want to share something real quick with you. Actually, let me jump into my huddle room and I want to share some tips with you. Really wanted to take time to talk to you about creating a business plan. And this is not your typical, high functioning, if you will, plan where if you're seeking assistance, financial assistance from an institution, right? A bank, a credit union, things like that. This is real quick off the top of my head for you guys to create a roadmap. So it's going to be a simplified business plan. The reason why I want you to create this is that there's going to be ups and downs. There's going to be confusion. There's going to be success. But I want to make sure if anything happened, you're able to bounce right back. You're able to achieve your goals, your objectives, and things like that. So the first thing I'm going to say, when you're creating a home care roadmap, aka simplified business plan, focus on what are your priorities. I want you to set goals and identify what your priorities are for your agency, right? And then I want the second one, so we're going to say number 2 here. I want the second one, outline your strategy. It'll help you achieve your goals, right? So I'm going to say outline your strategies, identify, what it is you need to put in place in order to reach the one that we said first, which would be setting your goals and objectives, right? So real quick, the third thing is identify potential challenges, any potential challenges you may see. I know in my VIP coaching call today, our Zoom session, someone mentioned that, they're not savvy in QuickBooks, right? So I said, okay, maybe you need to hire a professional, or maybe you just need to take a QuickBooks training, right? So really, really important. You want to identify any potential challenges that you may experience in your business. What other challenges? Maybe, getting caregivers. So you want to do your research and say, okay, what job boards or what resources am I going to use that's available to me digitally and also within my community, because this may be a potential challenge. Some of you may say, okay, getting clients is a potential challenge. So you want to identify how you can get those potential clients, what marketing strategies you're going to use. What are you going to leverage? Are you a healthcare professional? Do you have healthcare professionals as friends, family members? So you really want to identify any potential challenges so you can come up with a solution on how you're going to overcome them. Then I'm going to say number 4. Number 4, finances, right? You got to make sure you set yourself up for success and understand what it costs to get into this business. Are you in a regulated state? What are, the insurance requirements? So you want to find out the financial part to starting a home care business. Is super, super important, guys. And make sure you have the resources available to hone in on that. So it's very, very important. The 5th one, I would say, helps you monitor your progress and adjust any strategy. So, I always talk about if it's not measured, it's not managed. So create a way for you to follow up. Just like when we do our marketing, we are checking the analytics. We're checking the results to see what the return on investment looks like, right? What did we accomplish? Is this something we're going to do again? Are we going to, eliminate, tweak, change? So let me recap real quick for y'all. You know what? I jumped right into it because I know y'all like the meat. Welcome, guys. This is Coach. And those of you that are chiming in for the first time, what's up? And those of you that are returning, welcome back. I'll be trying to give y'all the nuggets real quick. And I'm about to run into a meeting and I thought about roadmap, business plan. What is it that I can share with them real quick? So I'm going to do a quick recap. And it may be something new, guys, because I'm going straight from my head. So the benefits of creating a roadmap for your agency. I'm going to say number 1 is helps you set goals and priorities for your agency. I'm going to say number 2, outline the strategies you need to achieve your goals, objectives that you set. Number 3, I'm going to say identify potential challenges and how you can overcome them. Number 4, I'm going to say finances. That's what it was. Finances. Create a roadmap, identify what it is that you need for your business. And then the last one, I'm going to say, analyze all of this stuff that you put together, right? And it's going to help you with your progress to move forward, to grow your business, to scale your business. It's going to help you strategize, tweak those things that you may have had in place and be able to move forward and grow your business. It's also going to build confidence. It's also going to allow you to pick yourself up, just in case you're a little down and you're trying to figure out why I'm doing this thing, how to get me back on the road, that roadmap, how to get me back on that road to success, that road of prosperity, that road of serving first in my community. This is going to help you with that. So take your time, develop it, and put it together, okay? Put it together, develop it. So y'all take care. This is your coach coming to you from the ATL. If you guys have not gotten your ticket for conference, you need to get your ticket. Tickets are moving quick, guys. We are already over halfway full as far as the capacity of the event space. Home Care Empowerment Conference 24 is March 2024. Get your ticket, get your ticket, get your ticket. Go to myhomecarecoach.com. Click on events from the menu. So y'all take care. God bless. Love you.